So how's it been at home?
She did better last night. She actually walked around a lot more, and it wasn't as low. And then today she's been a little bit more mobile.
No, floor is slippery. There we go.